Nakaliang Deputy Chief Minister Obadairo unong yalam barang ba nakaliang ke NPP oba asngaw bahalang dahar ule yathu baka Kongres kamdon hatmir bansya Pynduh jajno ha kane ke Jylla Meghalaya haba ajingkran ha ke jingelang bat kinong thok khubo hanen kasnge hanong ba shlong oba asngaw bahalang dahar ulaong bakim dathmo ban Pynduh pendamno ya ka seng Kongres ha kane ke Jylla Meghalaya Henry Kishupen Klein tangya ke NPP ha kane ke Jylla Meghalaya. Nakaliang uba asngaw bahalang dahar ulapan pau ya kane ke jingkran hadin baki laingut ke MLA ka Kongres u Dr. Celestin Lengdo u Gabriel Walang bad u Charles Marngar kilapen yaso syaka NPP. Unong yalam barang ba ka NPP ula ongru baka parti Kam Thmu ban lai syakino kino ki jingpen kelah ha ka kenhun menteri ka Jylla badwat ya ke MLA badang syu penrung thamai ru kinomyo jaka ha ka kenhun menteri ka Jylla kumbah kalong mentah.
No, not wind up. We are trying to strengthen our own party. It's the public who will wind up, not we. They are especially they joined during this time. Maybe there is a plus for us. It's a good time. They join at the right time. That I can say that they are joining at the right time. No, that is not the meaning. Development is for all. But you know very well. Maybe once in the government, maybe they get a little bit extra. But we never know. It's the politics. But actually as a government, that is not the mindset. We always try to give equal development for all the constituency. We are working together with a very, very good atmosphere to all the coalition. We respect them, all the UDP, the HSPDP, and we will continue to work with them, please remember. And even not only till 28, even beyond 28 years old, I think we will be continuing to work together only.
So no cabinet reshuffle?
No. Yes, if the respected party want to change, that is up to them. That is up to them. Is their wish.